So, welcoming each one of you for the Smart and Sustainable Manufacturing Tech Series. So, today we are going to see about the very important AR based two different use cases. We call it as AR based remote assistance and expert capture for training. So, before going into this, no other details, so let's know one fact. Which is you can see in this slide. 80% of what people we learn is through visual. So that is the reason the visual based technologies will enable us to do our learning or trainings very effectively. So because of this fact. Okay, so now let's see what is the important of the use case, and we start with the problem. So in any industry, um for maintenance, a service, for any during any critical time of downtime of machines, the immediate solution is very important to make the machine ready to keep the to increase continue the production to increase the uptime of the machine. So kind of scenario like COVID, uh, if there is any downtime or any critical issues, the specialist or any third party support expert, if he cannot able to travel to on board to resolve that issue, uh, definitely it takes a lot of time to resume the production. So the downtime is very long. So these kind of scenarios, definitely this kind of remote assistance or remote guidance is very much effective to reduce the downtime and also to increase the production. So the requirement is, so we have to provide the better support for the maintenance team or service team at the site or plant during this kind of repair or quick maintenance or troubleshooting of any downtime or critical issues. Then to enable the internal and external specialists, so overall we need to get the support from people around the world. They may be in different locations. They to get their assistance to accomplish the particular task. That may be a work on any machines or facilities or systems. Then whenever we know the necessary, the third party expert should be onboarded remotely, and the expert should be able to guide in-house maintenance experts or the team to fix the particular issue. So these are all the major requirement because of this, COVID kind of scenario, remote working kind of scenario problems. So the solution is the remote assistance or remote guidance through, you know, um, HoloLens for this kind of maintenance or service or any troubleshooting issues. So for this, we need the head-mounted device or mixed reality device called Microsoft HoloLens 2. The software, one of the option is Microsoft's Dynamics 365 Remote Assist, which is readily available. So this solution, this combination of this hardware and software, this enables the team to collaborate with the third-party support person or any specialist or expert who is in different location. They can connect them and they can collaborate with them through this solution. The other person may have the same HoloLens 2, or they may have any laptop like with Windows or Mac, or any tablet or mobile with iOS or Android OS. They can connect or collaborate with the plant person, and they can able to see through the heads up video call. Um, so various tools that are available in this solution, they can collaborate with that. So they get the assistance. So then and there, that problem can be solved. So that is the solution. So the name we call it as a remote assistance for maintenance. Okay. So how the user journey will be there? So already as we discussed, the critical situations are during downtime of any machines or any utility or any systems. the user immediately uh, he can get the HoloLens from the plant. He can wear it, and through heads up video call, he can connect the required person, or more than one person, a team also they can connect through heads up video call. So they can also able to see or view the person how he is viewing, no, in front of the machine or any issue, how he is seeing the camera which is mounted in the head mounted device. The same the camera view can be seen by other experts also, so they can be able to talk to him, they can be able to share their views through any PDF file, any image, or any videos, or any 3D models, and also they can able to annotate, so to discuss the particular issue. All these kind of tools are available. So with this, the person who is in need can connect others. They can get the help, and the problem can be solved very quickly. That is the user journey with this solution. So with this use case or with this solution, what are the benefits we can get it? So that's what we're going to think about now. The challenges, the current situation, the challenges are the downtime, especially the critical machines downtime, and the specialist or the expert from the OEM or third party, um, they have to be onboarded, and that may take more time. For the travel time is needed, their availability should be there, and also economic, it is expensive also. So when we have this solution, then they can share the real time view with the experts. The remote collaboration with the experts is possible. Yes. Yeah. And video calls can be shared, and they can capture snapshots, and they can annotate, and they can annotate 3D live annotation also is possible, so that mutually the issues can be very easily understood, and the guidance also can be shared. And also, apart from that, any documents like PDF for the drawing, or any videos for any process, or any 3D model, uh, with the animation also can be shared to explain the solution. So the outcome of this system or solution is, so this increases the uptime and the productivity, and it gives very faster solution for the issues, and it reduces the MTTR and also the field operations cost. Okay, so let's see the solution overview, and again the benefits of this solution. So the person who wears the mixed reality device or Microsoft HoloLens 2 can be any operator, or can be a maintenance personnel, or any service personnel. So in front of the machine or device or any system, or the place where the issue is there. So from there, through the heads-up video call, the person can connect the other, the specialist or experts from different location. Based on their availability, they can join. And any kind of device, as we already discussed, Windows or Mac-based um, laptop or desktop machines, they can able to connect, and also iOS or Android based mobile or tablet also they can able to connect. So they can connect, and they can collaborate together to understand the issue. They can share the content or the solution with the different modes, and they can annotate, they can indicate, they can highlight. So the person can listen from them, they can understood the guidance from them, so he can able to complete that particular task or activity, that may be a maintenance or service also. So this way it can be done. And the hardware we require is Microsoft HoloLens 2, and the software option 1 is a Dynamics 365 remote assist. And the key benefits for this out of the solution is, you can ensure the more uptime for higher productivity, and it offers the quick solution, and it is really cost effective, solution for any kind of failures. Okay. So coming to Dynamics 365 Remote Assist, it is from Microsoft, and so this is a SaaS based platform. Already it is more than 15,000 customers they are using, and especially from you can see the testimonies from Microsoft Burns and that of Openmatics here. So all major companies, corporates already they are using this remote assist or remote guidance solution. Let's see a demo how we can able to connect the other person with this remote assist.
Once you're signed in to Remote Assist, you'll see your recent contacts. Green means available, yellow means away. To call someone, gaze at their contact tile, then air tap to select it. Once you're connected, they'll see everything you see. To search for a contact, gaze and air tap to select Search. Start typing a name on the holographic keyboard, then select the contact to call them.
So this is another uh, a demo how no a person is lively connecting the experts team
Hey there,
or
this is
experts
Andrew.
person is Andrew from the other side.
Hey, Andrew.
How we
How he
doing
is
today?
getting the help and
Hey, how are you?
complete the task.
So I'm calling because I'm having some problems with the Sonatech. The emergency stop got reset, and even though I pulled it out, it's still not letting the machine start.
Okay, I think we'll be able to help you with this. We've seen it before. I'm going to start off by sharing a document that a PDF
Okay.
of the machine in terms of the instructions and what to do. So if you ever can't reach me, then you have this document to reference. It's coming over right now.
Okay, great. Awesome.
But I have run into this before with other techs, and we've been able to mitigate it pretty quickly. But here you see you'll have the document for future reference.
Okay, great. Awesome.
All right, great.
Thanks. I'm going to close this and I'll use it later.
So if we look down below the emergency stop that you had referenced when you first called, down below the machine, you're going to see an air compressor.
Yeah, the air compressor.
We get down there. I'm going to need you to make sure you flip this switch right here backwards.
Okay.
Great.
Yep, so the machine just kicked on.
And now if you pay attention to this gauge right here, you want to make sure that you're above, I believe it's 65 to 70 PSI. As long as you're above that range, you'll be able to operate.
So it's in the process of charging up, but it looks like it's about to hit 60. Yep, so we should be good now.
So now if we go back up to the Sonatech.
Okay.
Great. We're going to want to make sure that initial knob's pressed in.
The emergency stop? Yeah, okay, it's been reset.
Excellent. Now if you can pay attention to the reset button right here on this LCD screen, you're going to press that button.
Oh, so it's a touch screen. I missed that. That's probably, okay,
beautiful.
Cool.
And I can see here that you are at the right operating temperature. We know we want to be at 180 degrees or above. Excellent.
All right.
So if you look over to the right of the machine, you're going to see two valves. Yep, right there on the middle of the machine. There's a red top, black top valve.
Oh, okay.
If you grab the red top and rotate it 180 degrees counterclockwise.
Okay.
Excellent. Now if you look down at the base of the machine, you're going to see the two buttons I know you're familiar with, one here, one here. We're going to go ahead and articulate those.
Okay.
Excellent.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, it looks like you have functionality. I'm glad we were able to resolve it on the call, but if you run into any other problems, feel free to reference the PDF or give me a ring and we'll help you out.
Great.
Thanks so much.
Bye bye.
Yeah, hope that you have seen how they mutually connected, and they can able to highlight the area where the problem is with the arrow or any the freehand drawing, and the 3D annotation is also possible. So also the other person can able to see what the person really is doing, so he can guide accordingly. And if he for any warning or any um, uh, you know if it is not to be done, also he can uh, instruct him. So it will ensure that the particular maintenance or any particular issue is being solved according to the supervision of the expert or the specialist on the other end. Okay, so coming to the other use case, the next one, yeah, so this one we call it as expert capture and training. So this is the problem and requirement is, so for example, inside a plant or any production environment, if the person who is experienced or supervisor or any specialist in the particular operations or any maintenance, if he's not available due to any personal reasons or any COVID kind of situations, um, if if the resource is not available, then at that time the others can quickly can do the same operations or same kind of steps to accomplish the particular task. How can they do it? So they have to be immediately trained and they have to accomplish the task. So that kind of scenario, that process can be recorded as videos, pictures, 3D annotations, and any 3D model animations like that, and that exact physical on top of the model. And the same can be saved as a guidance program that can be retrieved and used by any number of persons at any time, whenever it is required. The process can be the guidance process can be know, played or viewed, and the person who is a new joinee or who is new to that particular process can wear that head mounted device, and he'll get all the guidance how the person who is who can stand besides him and help him the same way. This system has to help him. So that is the requirement for this one. Yeah, we call it as export capture and training is the solution. For this also, we require the Microsoft HoloLens 2, the hardware or the mixed reality head mount device. And the software, uh, yes, as option one, the Microsoft Dynamics 365 guides is also there. And another solution, which is the on-prem solution also we have, we call it as holographic guidance application, which is our own developed product. So this solution helps the new associates or any operator to learn the particular new process or the procedure with the step-by-step holographic guidance, which is already captured, and they can able to see, they can able to hear, they can able to read it, and they can able to get the holographic guidance. So how the particular task, each and every step, how it has to be done, they will get the assistance. Then they can complete that accordingly, so that the first time right no can be done. The quality of the work also will be ensured with this kind of holographic guidance. And the resource person, no, the availability is it's not an issue here. So the user journey will be like, at any situation, the user may be a new associate to the particular process or particular team or particular um, group. And for any maintenance work also, the maintenance process may not be clear to the particular the personnel. So that kind of situation, he need a help with the expert or their own plant uh, s- senior people guidance like that. If the person already have recorded this kind of capture, then at that time they can just wear the HoloLens 2 with that already captured, programmed, recorded one. They can wear it, they can play it, and they will get the exact step-by-step holographic guidance through the voice and through the text, instructions and images and videos and also the 3D holograms. You can see and what each and every step to be done the same way. The animations also can be seen and overlay with the 3D and the physical model. So he can understand and quickly he can do the particular task for can complete each and every step, and finally he can accomplish the task without anybody's help, only with this solution or this HoloLens 2. By wearing the HoloLens 2 he can accomplish that. So that is the way the user can complete that one or use that one. For this solution, the existing challenges are normally the person who knows very well about the process, if he is not available, so the maintenance or the response time will be more, and also the availability. If he is not available, the availability of the particular expert or a specialist for that particular training also, it's a critical one, and it increased the MTTR also. Also it incurs the travel expense also. Suppose if the person is another location, another plant, so he has to come over here, so it incurs the travel time and expense also. So after implementing this expert capture and training solution, so the expertise can all the the work already can be done, and that can be stored or captured, and each and every step can be recorded as a holographic guidance, and any person can wear it, and he can able to learn quickly, and he can able to accomplish the task, so that the rapid upskilling is happening, and first time right quality is also being ensured. The major outcomes of this solution is um, paperless, hands-free, and step-by-step immersive instructions are there, and it's improving training efficiency and consistency, and it is maintaining the quality, and it is it's lowering the processing time and downtime also, and rapid upskilling of the technicians or engineering team or any new associates is it is possible. Okay, so coming to the solution overview. So in this one, uh, how you are seeing in the left side, the person who is very familiar with the process can wear the device, and he can able to capture all the steps he can do, and he can capture those steps as a small videos or pictures. And suppose if there is no HoloLens also, with the mobile or any of the devices also, the process can be recorded. Then the recorded videos and pictures that can be moved to the any laptop or any desktop device, where there'll be a template there, so we can upload all these videos and pictures. Also we can add any other additional pictures or videos, or text content can be added, or 3D models or animations can be added. Then that can be, this package can be transferred to the head mounted device. From there it can be connected the two different options that we will see later. One is from a cloud anchoring method and other is local anchoring method. So all the content can be positioned or anchored using this anchoring method. Then it can be saved. So this program can be retrieved by any person at any time by wearing the HoloLens. So he will get, and if he go and stand before that particular location, so he will be getting each and every step guidance, and with that guidance, he can able to complete that particular process. So again, this will ensure that how an expert can stand besides him or her and can help him, and it is more than that, they will get the assistance or guidance, and they can able to complete the particular maintenance task or any operations task. Because of these tools are very effective, because these holographic the guidance is also very effective with the audio. All these things you can all the uh, prerequisites or any warning information, all these things they can able to understand, and without any error they can able to complete all entire process at the first time itself. So the key benefits are, again, in this one, it's paperless. So the hands are free. They can wear it. They can get the guidance, and also they can able to work. And it improves the training efficiency. and it is lowering the process time, errors, and as well as the downtime, and it helps to helps for rapid upskilling of the technicians. Uh, so this kind of solution already we have implemented um, in a very famous the fire equipment manufacturer in UAE. They have a different the fire pumps, and the service team is already having a list of maintenance or service tasks for each and every model of the pumps. So for this one, we have developed a solution with this expert capture and training method. So each and every step, the holographic guidance, they can able to get it to complete that particular task. They can select the task first. So inside the task, that sometimes that may be 10 tasks, sometimes there may be 20 tasks. So each and every, 20 steps for each and every task. So the numbers may be different. So that can be already recorded with all the necessary, the content. So the user can get all the holographic guidance. They can able to complete the particular service task or maintenance task. So already we have done it, two different methods. Let's see a demo for this one.
Work today is more complicated than ever. The old ways of training cannot get new employees up to speed as fast as the experienced people are retiring. We need a better way forward. From day one, employees are often expected to get work done, but the complexity can be overwhelming. Now, employees can learn by doing. This is a tool that works with existing processes, allowing a manager to get the right guides to their people. The instructions move with the employees, pointing them to the tools and parts they need, showing them exactly where they need to apply them. Employees get up to speed faster, with fewer errors and more confidence. A simple glance moves them through the instructions, meaning their hands are free to do the work. They can learn at their own pace without having to rely on other workers around them. The overall experience is comfortable and intuitive. All of this helps employees make the complex simple, so they can learn and adapt faster, and organizations can stay competitive.
So this is one of the solution, and for the same, we have another one also. Let's see that demo also.
Industrial manufacturers are expected to face millions of unfilled jobs in the next decade. Their ability to leverage existing resources and improve productivity has never been more important. Now is the time to evolve how workers access and learn critical information, to reduce scrap, rework, and training cost, and save manufacturers tens of millions of dollars a year. Easiest way to create powerful step-by-step instructions that help frontline workers get their jobs done quickly and accurately. Knowledge is easily recorded without the need for existing assets or causing disruption to high-value workers, and used to create step-by-step instructions highlighting safety precautions and relevant locations. Content is easily fine-tuned, published, and managed through a secure SaaS-based environment and automatically optimized for viewing on Microsoft HoloLens, RealWear HMT1, and mobile devices. Augmented instructions are easily accessed by new or reassigned workers, increasing efficiency, accuracy, and safety. New skills are learned on the job, cutting training time and costs. Safety warnings are presented at the moment they're relevant, reducing the risk of injury. Workers follow location markers to successfully complete the required steps. Each step of the procedure can be documented and analyzed to improve efficiency and compliance.